Now that we got our Flywheel account set up for hosting, let's connect that to the local app. What I'm going to do is open up local, and over here on the left hand side I've got this little connect to Flywheel icon. So I'll click on that and I'm going to log into Flywheel. And since I'm already logged in on the website, it sees itself, and so I'm going to go ahead and click connect to Derek Mitchell, that account that we just created. We'll allow it to open local by Flywheel. And there we have it. We have our first connected website to Flywheel. So I can either pull this down to local if I wanted to, let's see, create a backup and create the site so that way I can make modifications on my own computer. So I can connect and pull down the site. Or since that's just a base install and there's nothing there for me to worry about, I can come back to all of these sites that we've been working on. And I can actually push this up to Flywheel. So I'll click push to Flywheel. And I'll select a site on Flywheel, or I can create a new site. So if I don't want to overwrite what I've already done, I can create a new one. But I'm going to go ahead and push this on top of that. We'll push to Flywheel. And now it automatically connects to that site that we made on the server, and it's currently pushing these local files we made up to the server. And I can't help but mention, this is 100 times easier than any other migration I've ever done in my life. So we're going to learn how to do that, how to do it the manual way in other videos down the road. But I just wanted to point out that this is insanely simple and worth every penny. Now, depending on the size of your site, this could take a while. And because we're using the Salient theme and we have a lot of different graphics for it to push up as well, it could take a while. So we're going to go ahead and let this spin, and I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so when the site's done being sent up to the server, you're going to get this message, site pushed. So basically, all those files have been sent up. It's now ready to go. It's still doing some processing in the back end, and when it's all done, I'll get an email saying it's all done. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And I'm currently in the Local by Flywheel app, and down here below, now that I have that site connected, you can see we have the push and the pull from Flywheel buttons down here. So if I make changes on the live site, I could come back in here and pull down all the files so any changes are current. And then it also shows that I'm connected right here. So if I click on this link, it's going to open that up directly, and I can see the dashboard on Flywheel. And then from in here, I can click on the actual link itself and see that new site we just put up. And I'm getting an error because it's still processing. So once this is all said and done, we'll be able to click through our website and everything should be working great. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video right now. And if you have any questions, again, join the Facebook group or comment below. I'm going to sound like a broken record, but I want to make sure that I'm helping you guys out as much as possible, and I can't do that if you don't join the group. And then also, I'm going to attach some documentation because, like I said, I know that I'm going to do my best to show you everything in this video, but given the nature of web design and web development, things change so fast. So if something that I did here looks different or it's not working out for you, make sure you check the documentation for Flywheel in the information below. All right, guys, thanks for watching.